What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday morning. It's currently 7 o'clock. Today's video, I'm gonna be addressing the headlights of the LX, and let me just go ahead and show you guys. As you can see, headlights are pretty faded. We're gonna try and attempt to fix this, and hopefully all goes well. So I ended up picking up Meguiars headlight restoration kit. Fairly inexpensive. You know, they did have a turtle wax one that was like $9.99, and I think like another brand that was like 20 something, but this one was around like 15 or 16 bucks at Walmart. Now, this is the moderate one. I guess I should have went with severe, but this is what they had, and you know, we'll see what happens. If worst comes to worst, I already have somebody who's willing to sell me some SI headlights. And then I also got these bulbs here that I had on my SI that I'm gonna be putting in the LX. First thing I'm gonna do is tape up around the fender. Gonna sit you guys down, start prepping the surface. This is the first pass, and it's saying that it should be like a hazy consistency throughout the headlight. I'm probably gonna do another 1 or 2 passes on it, just for the fact that this headlight is like super cooked, and get it as best as I can. So I'm gonna hit it again twice. I'll put you guys on the time lapse so that way you guys don't have to sit through it. That's pretty much after 3 passes right there, and the consistency is pretty much hazy all the way around, which is what they stayed on the box. I'm just gonna let it sit for maybe a little bit just to make sure that the water is completely dried off. And then next step, spray this headlight coating on. It says shake well, apply 1 medium wet coat of coating to the entire headlight surface, overlapping by 50%, and let dry for 3 to 5 minutes. Then follow with a second medium wet coat to completely seal the headlight lens. The coating will be dry to the touch in 3 to 5 minutes and fully cured within 24 hours. One is done. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on time lapse and just do the other one so that way they're both equally clear, and then I'll come back to you guys as soon as I'm done. just finished up the second headlight and it is looking really good. They both pretty much are the same clarity. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the bulbs that I took out of my SI before I went to LED. So I'm gonna throw these in real quick and then I'll pull it out in the sunlight for you guys so that way you guys can see what they look like. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, guys. I really appreciate your support. I am doing the giveaways. I am doing Amazon gift card codes in videos. So you guys gotta be paying attention. You guys gotta be the first to watch. Thank you for liking the video and thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. And if you disliked it too, thank you. Helps me out either way. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them down in the comments section below. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.